morning, student. Today we will know about computer parts. There are many parts in computer as like in our body. Some are internal part and some are external part. Like internal part in our body is lungs, liver, brain. We cannot see directly. And external part also we have like hand, legs, mouth, head, stomach, back. These are the external part we can see directly. Like this in computer also there are some internal part and some are external part. Internal parts we cannot see directly. When we will open their motherboard, then we will see. When we will open system unit, then we will see whatever they are set in that many parts in internal parts. And some are external part we can see directly, like that mouse, keyboard, CPU, UPS. These are the external part. And both parts joining, then it is working. If any part will destroy, then it cannot work. Like this in our body also, if any part will be damaged by the accident or by the any accident, or when any things happen, then our body will also not function properly. Like this in computer also, if any part will be damaged or disconnect, then it cannot work properly. So there are many internal parts like that: memory, modem, motherboard, power supply, and chip, that is called microprocessor. In the like this there are many internal and external part, both are combining and connecting to each others, and then it is processing, functioning properly. So I will describe what that memory. First, memory. What is memory? Do you know in our brain is also there are memory. Without memory we cannot memorize anything. Suppose that when we are asking it to you, you say the table two table. Then first your mind is, your brain is memorizing whatever you have learned in the childhood. uh, Table of two, like that, two ja four, two three ja six, like that. Then you are saying like that properly. In this computer also there is a memory, there is a chip that is called microprocessor. When we are giving instruction input and given some items to keep in file and folder, then these all are keeping in its memory. And after that we are using for further use, according to our choice, according to our need, then it is memorizing, after that giving a result showing on the monitor. That's all today. uh, that's all, that much only, and next day I will take you another parts of computer. Thanks.